I'm with you.
Some of these you just have to record. We are at the Oklahoma City Zoo where we are seeing bears, tigers, and lions. Oh my. And he goes into the water. Oh, never mind. And he keeps walking and walking.
Girlfriend's up there. She's up there.
It's a pretty big bear. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh! Oh, it feels so good. I knew he was going to do that.
Come on in, the water's fine. Come and swim with me.